I'm Dave Kaiser from CCX Media, joined by Mike Goldstein. He is the Public Safety Director for the City of Plymouth. Welcome, Mike. How are you today?
I'm good. Thank you, Dave. How are you?
Very good. Let's talk about three things happening in the City of Plymouth related to public safety, and one is even on a broader scale. Plymouth is very involved in the regional response. Mike, tell us a little bit more about that, why it's important, and how it is continuing on.
Well, it's important because we can't do it alone, right? We need our neighbors to work through this crisis that we're all experiencing. So, two different levels of collaboration. One, at the county level, we're a part of the North Planning Group. It's a 13-city consortium where we have shared plans, resources, and even staffing plans where if we need to share police officers or firefighters across jurisdictional boundaries, we can do that. And that group has been around for a very long time, and it's very successful, and we're meeting almost on a daily basis through different video calls. And then secondarily, we're tied in at the state as well. Our deputy police chief and our fire chief are interacting with the State Emergency Operations Center, helping them with their needs and getting us information that we need to help keep our community safe.
Let's talk a little bit about staying safe and the stay-at-home order. What words do you have about that order as it stands right now, and what might be next?
Well, we will hopefully find out soon what the governor intends to do with the current order. If I had to speculate, I'm guessing it might get extended to some degree. And I think it's important, right, that we adhere to it, because we know by following the order, we're going to lessen the impact of that curve, which is the long-term goal, to keep as many people out of the hospital as we can so those who are there can get the care that they need. By rushing things, it could just, work against us in exponential ways. Mm-hmm. So we've got to be smart. I know that, patience truly is a virtue. We're all learning that. But we need to abide by this so that we can help keep people safe. And again, Minnesota has not experienced the peak yet. And until we do, we got to be smart.
How about with senior communities within the City of Plymouth? What is the activity you're having right now there?
Yeah, so we're having weekly check-ins. Our community relations officer, Jim Long, is checking in with our long-term care facilities and our senior facilities, just checking in, seeing how they're doing, offering words of encouragement. We have resources available to them if they need them. And we also have recently provided them with all the masks that were collected through the governor's mass collection program at our fire station over the weekend. So we are out and about today, in fact, delivering over 1,000 masks to those facilities to help keep their residents safe.
As you see, the work of the Plymouth Police Department Public Safety continues on. Mike, thank you very much for your time today. And residents, if you're interested in more information, you can go to plymouthmn.gov. Thanks, Mike.
Thank you.
Learn more about The Connection at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.